Tile paint can be used on porcelain, ceramic and glass tiles, requires no primer and provides a tough, durable, waterproof and mould resistant finish. Clean any surrounding grout joints with grout cleaner and wipe down with a lint-free cloth. Check grout joints for damage and repair before painting. See our films on how to clean grout or how to regrout for guidance on this. Clean tiles thoroughly with a cleaner containing bleach to remove all dust, dirt and grease, and wipe down with a lint-free cloth. Stir the paint well before and during use. Apply one coat evenly using a natural bristle brush, working the paint into the grout joints. Finish the brushstrokes in a vertical direction. Allow the paint to dry and inspect the finish. If you're painting over a strong colour or a pattern, a second coat may be required. Check the container for recoat times. Now that was a really quick and easy way of bringing our old tiles back to life. For more ideas and know-how, visit DIY.com.